Ever wondered if there was a way to truly own your crypto beyond the reach of exchanges and their ever-changing rules? What if you could buy, sell, and manage your digital assets with the ironclad security of a hardware wallet right from the palm of your hand? Today, we're diving deep into exactly that, showing you how to buy crypto directly with your ELLIPAL cold wallet, giving you unparalleled control and peace of mind. For too long, the crypto world has presented a dilemma: convenience versus security. Centralized exchanges offer ease of access but come with the inherent risk of hacks, regulatory changes, and the uncomfortable reality that you don't truly own your private keys. Hardware wallets, on the other hand, provide top-tier security by keeping your keys offline, but often require cumbersome transfers from exchanges to acquire your assets. ELLIPAL bridges this gap, offering a seamless and secure way to purchase crypto directly within their app, straight to your cold storage. This isn't just about convenience, it's about reclaiming ownership and decentralizing your crypto journey. So, how does this magic happen? It all starts with your ELLIPAL cold wallet and the ELLIPAL app. Make sure your wallet is initialized and updated to the latest firmware. Once that's done, open your ELLIPAL app and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. You'll notice that ELLIPAL partners with several reputable third-party service providers like Simplex, MoonPay, and Banksa to facilitate these purchases. This partnership model allows you to choose the provider that offers the best rates and supports your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card, debit card, or even bank transfer in some regions. Let's walk through a typical purchase. First, you'll select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy and the fiat currency you'll be using. For example, let's say you want to buy Bitcoin with USD. You'll input the amount you wish to spend, and the app will show you the estimated amount of Bitcoin you'll receive, taking into account the current exchange rate and any fees. Remember, fees will vary depending on the service provider you choose, so it's always a good idea to compare them before proceeding. Next, you'll select your preferred third-party service provider. Each provider will have their own set of requirements, including Know Your Customer, KYC, procedures. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraud and comply with financial regulations. Be prepared to provide identification documents such as your passport or driver's license. Once your identity is verified, you'll proceed to enter your payment details. This is where you'll input your credit card information or connect your bank account, depending on your chosen method. After confirming your payment, the service provider will process your transaction. This usually takes a few minutes, but can sometimes extend longer depending on network congestion and the service provider's processing times. Once the transaction is complete, the purchased cryptocurrency will be sent directly to your ELLIPAL cold wallet address. You'll see it reflected in your ELLIPAL app, securely stored offline and under your full control. No need to transfer from an exchange, no worries about third-party custody, your crypto is truly yours. This direct-to-cold storage approach is what sets ELLIPAL apart, providing a robust and user-friendly solution for acquiring digital assets with maximum security. It's a game-changer for anyone serious about the safety of their crypto holdings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.